listen to the top for amazing last night. Yes, indeed, Margaret. Welcome to Kitchen Kid, St. Catherine's edition. Today, 2 teams will be competing to be crowned champions. Let's meet the teams. Here we have Cookie Conway. And next we have Sizzling Swoon. Each team will need to battle it out to tantalise the judges' taste buds by making the tastiest of falafels. Let's see what the judges think.
We are looking for the most delicate falafel.
One that will make our mouths water with delight.
But how are they going to make it tasty and delicious? It's not like it's a rhubarb tart. Oh, shut up about your rhubarb tarts. Let's find out.
First open a tin of chickpeas, but remember to always ask an adult for help with sharp objects. Then add 2 cloves of garlic to keep away the vampires. Put 2 teaspoons of cumin and peanut butter or tahini.
Add exactly 200 grams of peas into a bowl. Next, chop parsley finely and add it to the mix.
Squeeze in the lemon juice. Sprinkle the zest for a tangy kick. Then mix in 3 tablespoons of flour. Pour the ingredients into a food processor, then blend it into a thick paste. Roll the mixture into a round circle shape.
Gently place the falafel ball into the oil and turn it around with a wooden spoon. You know your falafel is ready when it's a gorgeous golden brown colour.
Finely chop some mint, put it into the yogurt dip.
This mouth-watering meal is a scrumptious snack.
Wow, those 2 teams are fluffing around. Let's go and see what the judges say.
And the winners are...
Thanks for watching Kitchen Kid,
St. Catherine's edition.
Hope we've inspired you to make your own falafels. Bye! We love you!